effects. They are pricier and they are more intense, but they get the job done. Now, I don't have sensitive teeth. I'm not gonna lie, the first time I used this, when I used them all up, I noticed that my teeth were just a little bit sensitive, but it kind of went away after like a month, and I didn't feel it anymore. Like, my teeth were not sensitive at all, but it was literally like, I felt like a completely different person. My teeth went from like pretty yellow to white as paper. They were so white using these, and I haven't used them again since. And I just purchased these like 2 weeks ago because I wanted to do it again, and I have already used 4 of them. I still have like a lot more to go, but I was really happy with the results of these because I felt like I didn't really need to do them again until recently. They kept my teeth white for such a long time. I mean, I did it 5 years ago. I was a senior in high school. That's a pretty long time, I would say. And these are my favorite. It doesn't matter if you get the professional effects one or if you don't. The Crest 3D White Strips are my favorite because they stick to the teeth really nicely.